Hello, this is MEI Further Maths Core Pure. We're in the Roots of Equations section and on the fourth video on forming equations with related roots by substitution. In the last video, I left you to think about the relationship between the graphs of y equals 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus x plus 6 with roots alpha, beta and gamma, and y equals x cubed minus 5x squared minus 2x plus 24 with roots 2 alpha, 2 beta and 2 gamma. The red graph is a stretch parallel to the x-axis of factor 2. There's a stretch parallel to the y-axis as well, but that just depends on which value of a we chose. We can achieve the stretch parallel to the x factor by halving x, so mapping x to x over 2. This idea will be familiar from the work you've been doing in your ordinary maths lessons. We can use this idea to give us a different method for deriving the new equation. In the original equation, instead of finding the sums and products of the roots, we're simply going to make a substitution. Let x equal u over 2. That gives us 2 lots of u over 2 all cubed, minus 5 lots of u over 2 squared, minus u over 2 plus 6 equals 0. Tidying this up, we get 2 lots of u cubed over 8, minus 5 lots of u squared over 4, minus u over 2 plus 6 equals 0. If I multiply through by 4, then I'll get u cubed minus 5u squared minus 2u plus 24 equals 0. Here's another example. This time I want the equation with roots 3 alpha plus 1, 3 beta plus 1 and 3 gamma plus 1. To do this, I'm going to use the substitution u equals 3x plus 1. And that means that x is equal to u minus 1 over 3. We can now substitute for x in the cubic equation. Pause the video while you work through this. OK, substituting for x with u minus 1 over 3. That gives me u minus 1 over 3 cubed plus 4 lots of u minus 1 over 3 squared minus 2 lots of u minus 1 over 3 minus 6 equals 0. Multiplying through by 27 gives me u minus 1 cubed plus 12 u minus 1 squared minus 18 times u minus 1 minus 162 equals 0. Multiplying out, u cubed minus 3u squared plus 3u minus 1 plus 12u squared minus 24u plus 12 minus 18u plus 18 minus 162 equals 0. And finally, collecting terms, I get u cubed plus 9u squared minus 39u minus 133 equals 0. So my new equation in terms of x is x cubed plus 9x squared minus 39x minus 133 equals 0. There are more notes on integral on forming equations with related roots by substitution. That's the end of this short video. The next video in the series is on solving polynomials with complex roots.